Hey there, I'm Travis Cawthorn with Kramer AV here at InfoComm 2026. And here at our 1 gig AV over IP wall, we have a lot of products that you can look at, but specifically, I want to talk about our KDS-17s. So, we do have multiple, input encoders and decoders, our AV over IP manager, but really exciting this year is actually this little guy here, our KDS-17-LITE. So what this does is it's a transceiver. So it does your audio and video and control, of course, all over the network. It can be an encoder or a decoder. It's all interoperable with all the KDS-17 products, just a light version. So it strips out your USB, your Dante audio, your analog audio. But if you just want your 4K 60, 444, 18 gig video distribution, come check out this KDS-17-LITE, fully interoperable within our 1 gig solution. If you like information, reach out to us at KramerAV.com. Thanks for stopping by.